KSPA Embilipitiya Paper Mills Private Limited. Our largest project yet, the 3.68 megawatt installation at KSPA Embilipitiya Paper Mills, represents the future of large-scale energy solutions. Integrated with a 3 megavolt ampere step-up transformer, the system connects seamlessly to the high-tension Ceylon Electricity Board line, ensuring efficient energy transmission. The system includes 24 110 kilowatt inverters, 4 60 kilowatt inverters, 2 30 kilowatt inverters, with over 6,000 AE solar panels, including 595 watt, 625 watt, and 550 watt modules. This project is both technically advanced and environmentally conscious. One standout feature is the 550 kilowatt rooftop system. Designed without traditional roofing sheets, the solar modules themselves serve as the roof, delivering dual benefits of energy generation and structural support. Completed on January 26, 2025, this innovative approach reflects our ability to meet complex needs with efficiency and sustainability.